Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 2016. Now, by knowing this, we could actually decipher a couple things. Because this is positive, 2016 is positive, we know that m has to be greater than n. Because if m was negative, then this would actually be negative. And if n was greater than m, this would actually be negative 2016. So by knowing this, we could just say that m is equal to n plus k. K being a constant. So now if I subtract k on both sides, I get m minus k is equal to n. So now I'm actually going to replace m with, I'm going to replace m with n plus k. So now we have 2 to the power of n plus k minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 2016. Now this can also be written as 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 2016. And now if I factored out 2 to the power of n from this, I would get 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equal to 2016. So now 2016, well, this is actually equal to 32 times 63. So now we have 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equal to 32 times 63. And now 2 to the power of n, this is actually going to be an even number because 2 to the power of anything is going to be even. And 2 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of k minus 1, well, that's going to be odd. Now 32, well, that's an even number, so I'm going to write e for even, and 63 is odd. So meaning we could just say that 2 to the power of n is equal to 32, and 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equal to 63. So if 2 to the power of n is equal to 32, then n is equal to 5, because 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. And we have 2 to the power of k minus 1 equals 63. If we add 1 on both sides, we get 2 to the power of k is equal to 64. Meaning k is equal to 6. So now if n is 5 and k is 6, well, we could simply plug these into this. M is equal to n plus k, and n plus k is 5 plus 6, which is 11. So m equal to 11. So now these three are our values. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 6 to the power of x is equal to 9. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So we have log of 6 to the power of x is equal to log 9. Now, if we have a logarithm in the form log a to the power of b, an important property of logarithms, also known as the power property, states that we can actually move this exponent to the front of the logarithm. So this would be equal to b times log a. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing to log 6 to the power of x. Now we can think of 6 as a and x as b. So I'm going to rewrite this by moving the x to the front of the logarithm. So now this would equal x times log 6 is equal to log 9. Now, to isolate x, I'm going to divide both sides by log 6 so that we can move log 6 to the other side. So now we have x times log 6 divided by log 6 is equal to log 9 divided by log 6. Now, for our left-hand side, these two cancel out, and we simply have x is equal to log 9 divided by log 6. However, if we have a logarithm in the form log a over log b, this is also equal to log base b of a. So we can think of 9 as a and 6 as b, meaning x would equal log base 6 of 9. So this is our answer.